Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I am going to film a full face using Wet n Wild products. You guys know I love Wet n Wild. All their products are so affordable, so beginner friendly, and I just love their product. I think कोई भी product ऐसा नहीं है Wet n Wild से जो मुझे पसंद नहीं है. I love their product. I have a bunch of product right over here from Wet n Wild. I have their foundation, concealer, eyeshadow. I have so many products from their range. So today I thought of doing this video full face using Wet n Wild products. I hope you guys will find this video helpful, and I think maybe you can see a difference because I am filming in my new camera and now I can film finally with a flip screen. Thank God. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to put all my hair back, and from Wet n Wild I actually have so many products. Like I have 3 of their eyeshadow palettes, I have 2 of their foundation. One is their photo focus foundation, which is my absolute, don't mind my hair right now, which is my absolute favorite, and I also have their concealer. One is their photo focus concealer, and another one I also have, I don't remember, I have the cushion foundation as well, which I really like. If you want to do any kind of everyday makeup look, you can go for the cushion foundation. So first I think I'm gonna start with my eye makeup first. So first I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild photo focus concealer right over here. You guys know how much I love this concealer, so I'm just gonna use this on my eyelid before doing my eye makeup, and I'm gonna use this kind of round brush just to blend it out well. Zoom you guys in a little bit so that you guys can see exactly what I am doing. I have 3 of their eyeshadow palettes. This one is from their Rebel Rose collection. The name of this eyeshadow palette is Bed of Roses. If you haven't checked out my review yet, go and check it out. I am going to put the link in the description box below. Then I have this eyeshadow palette. This is from Wet n Wild, and this is their Color Icon Comfort Zone eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. Just gonna open this up and just gonna try to show you guys how it looks like. I have all kind of transition shade, shimmery shade. This eyeshadow palette is one of my favorite eyeshadow palette. I really love this one. Then I have this eyeshadow palette. This is also from Wet n Wild. I have all mauvey shades right over here. This is not kind of a everyday eyeshadow palette, but you can actually use this to make any kind of smoky eye makeup look. I really like this eyeshadow palette. So today I think I'm gonna use this one right over here, but I am just gonna mix things up. Okay, so for my transition shade, I'm gonna go with this color right over here and this color right over here. I am just gonna blend these two together to make a beautiful transition color. That I'm gonna go with this eyeshadow palette right over here, and I am just going to take this particular shade right over here. So I'm just gonna take this kind of flat brush color, and I'm just going to use it right over here. So after that I'm gonna take this kind of brush, kind of a small eyeshadow brush, and I am just gonna blend this deeper color right over here. After that I'm gonna take my same Wet n Wild concealer, and I am gonna take this kind of brush and then I am just gonna do a small cut crease. So then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this shade and this shade again, and I'm gonna diffuse this line right here. Going to do something which I don't know, it may look funny, but I'm gonna take this green right over here. I want to try something colorful and new. Okay, the color is pretty nice, not bad. I'm going to line with this Wet n Wild eye pencil. This is in the shade brown, and I really thought of trying this out because maximum times मैं black eyeliner या फिर black काजल ही use करती हूँ, but this time I thought of trying this brown one, and I'm just going to swatch it for you guys. This is what it looks like. Very pretty. I'm just gonna warm it up a little bit. This pencil is actually not that pigmented, and it's not really working well for me. Okay, so I just used my false eyelashes, mascara from Wet n Wild, and my false eyelashes, and this is what my eye makeup is looking. Now I'm gonna do my face, and for that first I'm gonna use this Pond's moisturizer. This is their oil-free moisturizer, which looks like this. I don't use primer, which this one actually is their new moisturizer, which I really love. This is an oil-free moisturizer, best for oily skin people. Dry skin people can also use this. It's quite moisturizing as well, but it will not give you a kind of greasy or oily feeling. It will actually hydrate your skin. I am kind of an oily combination person, but I really like this product. Okay, so for my foundation, I actually have two foundations with me. One is their cushion foundation. This one is from Wet n Wild. This is their cushion foundation, and this looks like this. If you want a BB cream or a kind of a CC cream, you can actually use this foundation. This actually works pretty well as your everyday makeup. And then the foundation that I have is this one. This one is from Wet n Wild. You guys know Photo Focus, my favorite foundation. So I'm just gonna use this foundation for today. Shade Desert Beige. This is actually not my shade, but I can manage. This is a little bit darker and yellowy for me. Not darker, but a little bit yellow for me. I'm gonna use a duo fiber brush to blend my foundation, and this is what it looks like. the finish of this foundation is like amazing. This is amazing. I really like this finish. Then for my concealer, I actually have two concealers with me. This one is their Photo Focus concealer and this one is their Celebrity concealer. But I don't really like this concealer because it's too light for my skin, and you need to take a little bit, like one drop, and it's gonna be a lot for you. So I think I am gonna mix both of this. Let's see what can I do. I think I'm gonna mix both of this together. I'm just gonna use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer. Just gonna take this one. I think it's not gonna be a good idea. I'm going to show you guys how it looks. This actually looks like this, very kind of liquidy, and the color is very pinkish type. The undertone is really pinkish. I'm just going to take a little bit. You guys can see how bright this is. Just going to use it and mix it up. The finish right over here, it is looking so beautiful. My base is done and this is what it looks like. I really love like the base. It's looking super fresh and super amazing. After that, I am gonna take my powder, round brush like this. I'm just gonna use this here to set my concealer, because you have to set your concealer. I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild bronzer and I'm just going to lightly bronze up my face. That I'm gonna use their blush, and this is what their blush looks like. You guys have seen this already. This is kind of very glowing, so I'm just gonna use a little bit. Use my Wet n Wild highlighter, which looks like this. Super amazing highlighter. This one is their Too Perfect Shimmer palette. I'm gonna take. This is a very pretty highlighter, guys. If you want a highlighter, like a natural highlighter for every day, go for this one. This one is really pretty. You guys can see how pretty this is. Oh my god, this is so pretty. You guys can see the difference. My eyes are looking so smoked out and so big. Just see. I just used this two shade right over here, this one and this one, and I just smoked out my lower lash line. Then for my lip shade, I have no other option. I have to use this lipstick because मैंने order किया था blushing Bali from their Wet n Wild Silk lipstick, और उन्होंने मुझे भेजा है from Nykaa, और Nykaa ने मुझे भेजा है Hot Red. Now I have to use this lipstick because this is a full face using Wet n Wild product. I actually like this lipstick. This is not like super long lasting or something, but the color is really nice. This is the color. So So I'm just gonna use it because I don't know, I have no other option. So yeah. This is, I will never go with this lip color with this eye makeup look. I think I'm gonna make this lipstick kind of matte powder and make this kind of a matte lipstick. I know this was looking a bit different. This is how I like to make my lipstick kind of matte, because there are different ways by which you can make your lipstick matte, but I like to do this step. It's looking so pretty. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like this video. This is the complete look and this is the finished look. I am loving my makeup look and I hope you guys find this video helpful. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.